also have a modest increase in the tobacco tax. These are all issues which will be considered. Now, we offered my good friend and my Republican colleagues a chance to amend, debate, and to discuss this legislation. I would note, for the benefit of my good friend from Texas, that the rules do not require hearings, and that on a number of occasions on important legislation in prior Congresses, during his chairmanship and that of others of my very dear friends on the Republican side, the situation was conducted in a way in which there were no hearings, in which legislation was brought directly to the committee and shot to the House floor in considerable haste. We protested this, but I have to say that given the exigencies of the situation, the needs and the circumstances of the fact that the kids are very liable to lose their health care benefits and their insurance under SCHIP, we saw fit to bring the matter up. The House will, I hope, and I think, and I am informed, have this measure before us in the next little bit. We will do so with a full opportunity of everybody to debate it, to discuss where the money is coming from, what the benefits will be, and whether or not the legislation should be passed. It's my personal feeling that we have a chance here to not only save some 6 million kids who would lose all benefits, but under the legislation which has come out of Ways and Means Committee and which was considered in the Committee on Energy and Commerce, to cover not 6 million, but 11 million. Kids that desperately need this, and which will be important. Very well.
Who seeks recognition?
I conclude with an expression of affection for my friend and colleague from Texas.
The gentleman's time is expired.
I have a parliamentary inquiry.
The gentleman will state his parliamentary inquiry.
I spoke earlier on the second-degree amendment of Mr. McHenry. Am I allowed